We are the Group A.
I'm Mrs. Magabanes.
I'm Dalia M. Torres.
I'm Jenaline Navales.
I'm Tereslyn Guyaye.
I'm Ellen Liz Calixto.
We are the BS Computer Science of D21 at Taguig City University.
We are going to discuss about
The remainder and factor theorem
and
the Arch-Lagrange theorem.
I will going to discuss about the remainder theorem. The remainder theorem states that if a polynomial p of x is divided by x minus c, where c is the real number, then the remainder is p of c. Let's have the division algorithm for polynomials. For each polynomial p of x of positive degree n and any real number c, there exists a unique polynomial p of x and the real number r such that p of x plus x minus c times u of x plus r, where u of x is of degree n minus 1 and r is the remainder. Daria Torres, we're going to prove this.
To prove this, let's have the division algorithm for polynomials. It is the p of x is equals to x minus c times q of x plus r. So, this equation is true for all of x. Therefore, x is equals to c. So, it will become p of c is equals to c minus c times p of c plus r. C minus c will become 0. And it will become, the equation is p of c is equals to 0 times p of c plus r. And 0 times p of c was cancelled out and it will become p of c is equals to remainder. Hence the remainder is equals to p of c. Let's make an equation. X to the fourth power minus 3x cubed plus 2x minus 2 is divided by x plus 2.
value of x, then it must be x is equals c. Then p of x is equals to x minus c multiplied by q of x transpose by x is equals to c. So p of c is equals to c minus c multiplied by q of c. Then p of c is equals to 0 multiplied by q of c is equals to 0. For example, 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 3 is divided by x plus 1. X plus 1 is equals to x minus c, then x is equals to negative 1. Let's solve. P of x is equals to 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 3. The answer is equals to 2 times negative 1 cubed minus 5 times negative 1 squared minus 3. The answer is negative 2 plus 5 minus 3 is equals to 0.
I'm here to discuss about the art gallery theorem. The art gallery problem or museum problem is a well-studied visibility problem in computational geometry. And for us to know about this, N and Calixto will discuss. Art gallery theorem. We have here a polygon. We have a 4 steps. Step 1, add a vertex to make a triangle but not a square. Step 2. Color the points of the polygon, where the triangles have 3 colors, which is red, blue, and green. Step 3. Total the points of the color. Red is 3. Blue is 2. And green is 1. Then step 4. The highest score becomes denominator and the vertex becomes numerator. This is the formula. N is the vertex where C is the highest score of the color.